Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's July the 8th, 2023. Man, we're here to talk about Litecoin today because the market apparently did not want to hold our area of support, which was around $102. You guys can remember I told you all that on my prior video, which was produced on the 4th of July. You guys can actually tell that the market didn't want to hold it. And we actually got a couple of weakness indicators off our chart that we need to be keen of and aware of because the market may be doomed in Litecoin, i.e., I'm just trying to tell you all that the market may continue to go lower. So if it is going to go lower, I definitely want to give you all a heads up about it. So you guys don't be scared and nervous about, okay, why is Litecoin going lower? Well, already we can tell that we got those two indicators of weakness. The first one was created right here on the 3rd of July. Okay. Second one was created 2 days ago, July the 6th. And not only on July the 6th, we got an up fake and a push to go down bar all on the same price bar. That tells you how weak the market is in Litecoin. So what should we do? Should we bail or should we buy some more Litecoin as price continues to fall? Let's talk about it, because that price prediction that you see right now, yeah, it didn't go right. It did not fell pretty good for us in the market on that particular prediction. So what we're going to do first is we need to get rid of it. So if we were to get out the market now at Litecoin, you guys can see we would be down around 9.75%. But if the market's going to continue to go lower, then we definitely want to take that loss and move on to the next play. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is, this is where the market in Litecoin saw resistance, right? So any movement to the upside in Litecoin, that area is going to be impactful. This is the current trend to the market in Litecoin. Do you think this is going to be sustained? Okay, let's talk about this one. Do you think the price in Litecoin, if it's going to be sustained on this trend line? Because if so, then this is a buying opportunity in the market in Litecoin, as we see the weakness coming in the market right now. Let the market come down to that trend line, buyers approach, buyers step in, hold price on that trend line, then like I said, that's a buying opportunity. But if the market in Litecoin is not going to hold that trend line, then again, we're going to anticipate that the price is going to continue to go lower. So let's talk about it. So let's look at this on the 2-day time frame for Litecoin. And you guys can actually tell that it's not too bad. Buyers did enter in on this last completed 2-day price bar, which kind of tells me that yes, even though price didn't hold $102 that we anticipated, buyers still came into the market in Litecoin right here around $95. Okay, so that's pretty good. So now let's take a look at Litecoin real quick here on the 3-day chart. Very good movement to the upside of Litecoin. This is one reason why I was looking for the market to continue to go higher. We wanted to see the market hold 102 as weakness came in, but it didn't hold off of this 3-day price bar right here. And currently on this current 3-day price bar, we're still seeing a confirmation of the up fake that was created 3 days prior. So yeah, it's not faring too well for Litecoin at this particular moment. Here it is on the 5-day chart. Okay, take a look at Litecoin here on the weekly. Now, let's say in the next day and 9 hours, right here on the right, that the price of Litecoin comes all the way down here to the low of this prior week. That's definitely weakness into the market. So we want to be keen on the price action right now into the market in Litecoin. You guys can actually tell that this is where buyers are approaching the market in Litecoin, right next to this area here to where the open and close were on these 7-hour price bars. Okay. So these are the individuals who are holding price right now in Litecoin. The people who bought here, they're trying to do it again now. Okay, if they are that determined, then that is the bottom. This is the bottom, and Litecoin price is going to go higher from here. But if they are not that determined, then price of Litecoin will continue to fall. Okay, I'm just giving you all a heads up. Everyone is dependent on the individuals who bought Litecoin here to continue to do it again. Here's Litecoin on the 3-hour chart. Okay, this tells me, especially right here off of this indicator weakness, the next 3 hours the market came back up. So again, that is the bottom right now. On the hourly chart, this is the bottom, and we're currently still seeing the strength into the market in Litecoin right now. So let me see this on a longer term hourly chart. Okay, so the question is, are we going to hold that support area, or do you think the market in Litecoin is going to hit this downtrend line and continue to fall lower? What do you think? Now, from what I see on the chart on the daily time frame, especially what occurred here on the 6th of July and how price action is weak right now, I need to go and anticipate that price is still weak. We haven't seen anything yet that will substantiate outside of the buyers coming in the market in Litecoin right there around $96 holding support. That's the only thing that the buyers have in their favor. That's it, nothing else. So what we're going to do is we're going to play the weakness to the downside in Litecoin. Now, it's not all doom and gloom. We're just anticipating that the market is generally weaker than it is giving us the strength right now. Now, that being stated, again, I'm not going to be massively bearish. First target is going to be around 95. My second target is going to be around 90. Like, that's it. Nothing too much, nothing too detrimental in terms of us seeing the weakness into the market in Litecoin. Now, the reason why my second target is at 90 is because I want to see the buyers hold that trend line. If they hold the trend line, then that's my ultimate TP. Okay, so like, let's say this. We're anticipating prices to continue to go down in Litecoin, right? If the buyers continue to hold here, then this is the ultimate TP price right here. Okay, I'm not looking for it to go down to $90, especially if I continue to see these buyers hold that trend line. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that. Those are my two targets, 96, 92. Let me put on the third one, which is around 88, and that's around 10% move to the downside. Okay, so definitely, as long as Litecoin's price is trading below 102, then we need to anticipate that the market is generally weaker, like I told you earlier. Okay, so that's it. I'm done. I'm not going to waste your time. Go ahead and tell me your thoughts though about Litecoin. Like, where in the world is this price about to go? Should you bell or should you buy? Hit me up. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.